Everyone wants a reliable vehicle, right? Something you can count on day in and day out. Cars, trucks, and SUVs from the Honda Superstore of Joliet are fun to drive, but first and foremost, they're a mode of transportation you depend on. Luckily, every new Honda from the Honda Superstore of Joliet comes with a manual that tells you exactly what the vehicle will need and when. It's a must-read for every driver and a great reference tool for staying on the right track. Different vehicles have different needs and maintenance schedules, but there are a few overlying commonalities that every driver needs to know. Following the manufacturer's maintenance recommendations and staying up to date with routine service is always your best bet. Fortunately, the Honda Superstore of Joliet has the very best service engineers and specialists who will give your car the best care it can get. In addition, there are simple things to look for that every driver should be aware of. For instance, you don't need to be a mechanic to notice that you may have a taillight out. It's a good idea to conduct a lights-on walkabout to check all vehicle lighting and function. In addition to routine light checks, you should also make a habit of checking your tire pressure and tread wear at least once a month. Be sure to keep your Honda on a routine schedule for tire rotation and alignment at our service department. This ensures optimal performance and guards against damaging wear and unexpected future repairs. Inspect your battery, looking for any mineral deposits or leaks. While you're at it, inspect your timing and serpentine belts. Your maintenance guide will tell you when they should be replaced, but check them yourself for corrosion or damage. If they fail, your car will break down, no doubt about it. Check your fluid levels. Again, consult your vehicle manual for guidance as to location and method for checking. You'll also want to pay attention to your air filters. It's a good idea to keep an eye on these filters to optimize engine performance and efficiency. So take a peek. If it's dirty, it's past time to swap it out. Your Honda of Joliet service consultant will be happy to guide you with recommendations. Check your spark plugs. If your spark plugs aren't functioning at peak performance, then your engine isn't able to work efficiently, resulting in poor fuel economy and a possible breakdown or engine damage. While this may sound like a lot of work, it can't be stressed enough that preventative work and maintenance on your car will always cost less than repairing damage and failure. That's why staying on top of your vehicle's maintenance needs is so important to the life of your car. We're here to make sure that you and your Honda face the road ahead worry-free. The Honda Superstore of Joliet. Because we care.